Hello everyone, today I am somewhere that I've been looking forward to coming for a very long time, and that is Mackenzie Falls in Victoria's Grampians National Park. Basically, it's a very large waterfall, definitely the best in Victoria from the impression I get from photos. There's several sort of walks you can do here. Basically we're going to go down to the base of Mackenzie Falls, to the Mackenzie Falls lookout, to Broken Falls, which is just upstream, and also down to Fish Falls, which is about a 2k walk downstream. So there's a little map here. Actually it's just to the whole area, but yeah, we'll go check it out. Okay, so we've straight away hit a junction. We're going to head left. To the right is the Mackenzie Falls lookout, but that says 860 metres. So we might do it on the way back if I can be bothered, but it's kind of a long way when we get down to the base of the falls this way. So we'll head down to Broken Falls first. We're actually approaching another junction. As you can see, all the tracks here are really good. I don't know about wheelchair accessibility. Maybe for the upper lookout, that was the one we just passed. But I'm not sure about getting down any further. But yeah, we're going to head down to Broken Falls first, 140 metres away, and then come back and do Mackenzie Falls, 510 metres. So I'll see you at Broken Falls. Okay, so we've made it to the first waterfall, and that is Broken Falls. It's really pretty, kind of a cascading waterfall. Not huge, probably 10 or 15 metres high, but definitely nice enough. And this is it. Very pretty. So back on the main path now from the detour, and we're going to be heading off towards Mackenzie Falls now. There's also a lookout called Cranninger's Lookout. Don't really know what that's meant to be of, but I'm sure we'll find out soon. So this is the Cranninger's Lookout. It's pretty cool. Nice views over to those cliffs and then down to the river. And you can see the stairs we're going to have to descend in a second, which lead down to the top of Mackenzie Falls, all the way down there. So, about to get going on them. Pretty cool here, right on top of Mackenzie Falls. Steep stairs on the way down, but geez, this waterfall is spectacular. See you down there. Bloody spectacular here, and it's only 1.4k for Fish Falls as well, so we're going to check that out, but very much worth the effort. This is the best waterfall I've seen here in Victoria by miles. So there's Mackenzie Falls, and we're going to head down this way. Someone has kindly put their jumper over the sign, but if I remove it, Fish Falls, 1.4k, so it shouldn't be more than about a 20-minute walk downstream, and then we'll come out at Fish Falls hopefully. You can see up there is the Mackenzie Falls lookout, that is the 860 metre walk from the car park. I think it could be wheelchair accessible, so it's a good alternative way to come here. but I don't think we will bother given how good the view is from the base anyway. Because it is awesome here. Really cute metal walkways to prevent flood damage. Okay, well I haven't really filmed in a little while, but we've arrived at Fish Falls after about a 20-minute hike from Mackenzie Falls. So we're on top of them now, but the track is going to keep going down there to the base of them, so we will go check it out. But it looks like a pretty good sized drop. Side view of the falls. So we've made it to the base of Fish Falls, and it's really nice here. Not a huge waterfall by any stretch, but it's kind of goes over several cascades and obviously a really good flow of water. As you can see from my hair and my shirtlessness, I've had a swim here, which was brilliant. Cold but not too cold, and just a really nice deep pool. It's actually a beautiful day now. It was really rainy earlier. It cleared up nicely, and I found this good little vantage point. It's kind of hard to find a spot where you can see all the falls at once, but here is really nice.